I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
Hello everyone, Emirati Bunny with you and welcome to my channel. And today's video, I'm in a mood to create a certain eye look. So let's see how it turns out, and yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm doing it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Noon. So I got these two packages. Let me show you the big one first. So I got this. This is the Dream Catcher. I'm gonna quickly just show you guys how it looks. I hope I don't rip it apart. Oh! There we go, it's lit. My camera actually died. So let's move on. I already showed you the Dream Catcher. I'm going to show you the other thing that I got. Yep. I got another pair of lashes. And this is from Pinky Goat. It is called, I believe, Rose. They put like a barcode right on top of this, so I really like the Pinky Goat lashes because I think they look really flattering when you wear them. So I'm gonna cut it open now. Let's see how it looks like. It looks like that. It's not that voluminous. It's like normal, you know, you can wear this. I think you can wear this every day. I wouldn't know unless I try it. That's why I actually wanted to create an eye look so I could use these lashes and see how it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this here because I will be using it. And I've already prepped my eyes because I didn't want to do it like on camera. Now let's begin. So first I'm going to prep my brows as well. I usually use wax to keep it in place, and then I use the brow powder instead of the pencil or whatever. So yeah. So as you can see how as I'm applying the wax, I'm kind of like lifting it up. So I like my brows to kind of stay upright. I'm gonna use the brow powder now. And I got this brow powder palette from the brand called Kiss. I know this is not a very popular brand, but then I saw this at Carrefour, so I thought I wanted to try it. It's a GoPro eyebrow kit. This is how it looks like. And I really like to extend my brows like this way, as you guys can see, like that way, you know. And I usually put the darker shade on the outside part of my brow. And then I use the lighter shade on the beginning side of my brow because I don't really want it to look that harsh. So this is how it looks like on one side. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side. And that's how it looks like, guys. So I'm done with the brows. I'm gonna use a primer because I will be using a darker shade, so I want it to stick to my eyes. I'm using the Essence Eye Primer, which is gym proof and waterproof. This is how it looks like, and once I put this, I also put like any shadow that I like, and it actually sticks and doesn't move, so that's great, you know. And that's how it is. And now I'm gonna use my favorite palette, the Emirati palette with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use this bright aqua blue color. It's called Leo. But before that, a base color first. I'm gonna go with the Yoker here. So I'm gonna use this one now. I'm just gonna apply it on the outer lid. And then I'm gonna use the OG and Yoker, which is right beside each other. Alright, this is how it looks like, guys. And now we are going to go with the blue. Oh my god, wow, look at that. Wow, oh my god, this is awesome. This pop of color is just breathtaking, you guys. Now let's move on before I just lose my mind, you know? Okay, so now let's do Yugo, the last color here. I'm gonna use it here just to wing it out like that. I just can't get over this blue eyeshadow, guys. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna use the eyeliner. This is from Rimmel and this is supposed to be waterproof. So I'm gonna do like a winged liner. Oh, I forgot to do something. Oh my god. Thank god I remembered. I wanted to just add a little dab of highlighter in the inner corners of my eye. Oh, and I'm using the Anastasia highlighter palette. Look at the difference, guys. Amazing, right? I'll also add a little on my nose, because why not? And then I'll add also on the brow side. The brushes that I'm using, guys, is from BH Cosmetics. This is the number 11. Look at that. Poppin'. Okay, now I look like a glazed donut. Now we're gonna go back to the eyeliner where I kind of left it halfway. Okay, one eye is done. So I'm gonna just kind of like wing it inwards to give me that cat eye look. Like so, as you guys can see. That makes a huge difference, guys. Trust me. Now is the difficult part. I need to keep my hands steady. Let's focus. Guys, I'm not a makeup artist or anything, so please don't judge me. I want to use an eyeshadow on top of that. Let's see. Maybe I'll use Cupcake. It's like a very glittery purple. Let's see how that works. Yeah, looks better now. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do my other eye now. Okay, so I'm going to curl my lashes now, really quick. And now I am going to use my Marc Jacobs mascara. Look at it. I'm not really putting that much because I'm anyways going to use the false lashes, so it's not going to show. But I just wanted it to blend with my fake lashes. Now lashes time. And guys, I don't really know like if I should put a lot of glue or just a little glue on my lashes. I usually put like little but mostly like I put a lot on the outer end of my lashes on both sides because that's where it tends to fall out for me. So I usually focus more on the outer corners of my lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna apply it now. Let me just curl my lashes so I can mix them all with my fake and real lashes. Wow, you guys, look at that. Ooh! It's so pretty! Oh my god, I love it. I love these lashes. It doesn't look too much. Okay, let me put on my other eye. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a close-up look of my eyes. This is how it looks like, and the lashes as well. Pretty cool. I really love these lashes. What do you think of my eye look, guys? Let me know. Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know. But yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you really enjoyed my video and enjoyed this. I hope I didn't make you guys bored. And if you do like it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! So guys, does this happen to you? Like you feel like one part of your eye is really good, like the makeup looks really good, and the other half, like the other side doesn't? Because for me, always that happens. Always. Oh my god, it is so annoying, you know. But what to do? We'll just move on.